Lives here, yes, but don't live in now because he lives in Spine. Hey, Mr. Philip Brent, that's right. And the one who rots the flies, that's him, only now he rots them in Spine. No, she's in Spine too. They're all in Spine. There's no one here. Am I in Spine? No, not in Spine, dear. I look after the house for them. Only I go home at 1 o'clock on Wednesdays, but I've got a nice plate of sardines to put my feet up with, because it's the Royal, what's it called, in the telly. The Royal, you know, with the paper then. Oh, and if it's to do with letting the house, you just have to ring the house agents, because they're the agents for the house. Squire, Ackerman. What was the other one? No, they're not in Spine. They're next to the phone in the study. And Squire, Ackerman. Oh, hold on, we'll go and look. Always the same, isn't it? As soon as you take the weight off your feet, down it all comes on your head. And I take the sardines. No, I leave the sardines. No, I take the sardines.
You leave the sardines and you put the receiver back.
Oh, I put the receiver back.
Right, and you leave the sardines.
I leave the sardines.
You leave the sardines.
I leave the sardines and I put the receiver back.
Right.
We've changed that, have we, love?
No, love.
That's what I've always been doing.
I shouldn't say that, darling, my precious.
How about the words, love? Am I getting some of them right?
Some of them have a very familiar ring.
Only it's like a slot machine in there.
I know.
You know, I never know if it's going to come up 3 oranges or 2 lemons and a banana.
All right, so anyway, it's not midnight yet. We don't open until tomorrow. So there you are, holding the receiver.
There I am, holding the receiver.
That's why Ackerman, hold on.
Squire, Ackerman, hold on. Don't go away, I'm putting it down. Always the same, isn't it? It's a load off your mind, it's a weight off your stomach. Guys, no good, keep going on. I can't pick sardines above the floor and answer the phone, can I? I've only got one leg. Hello? Yes, but there's no one here, love. No, Mr. Brent's not here. He lives here, yes, but he doesn't live here now because he lives in Spine. Mr. Philip Brent, that's right. The one who rots the place. Only why he get mixed up in plays, God only knows. He'd be safer off for the lions than at the zoo. No, she's in Spine too. They're all in Spine. There's no one here. Am I in Spine? No, not Spine, dear. I'll look after the house for them, but I don't know. 1 o'clock on Wednesdays, and we've got a nice plate of sardines to put my feet up with, because it's the Royal... What's it called on the telly? Oh, the Royal, you know. And if it's to do with letting the house, you'll just have to ring the house agents, because they're the agents for the house. Squire, Ackerman. Who's the other one? No, they're not in Spain. They're just a bit squashed.